viewers, I hope you are doing well. Today I am going to tell you how you can make a WhatsApp business account on your phone easily. First of all, install WhatsApp Business in your mobile phone. After installing it, open it up. Now click on Agree and Continue. Now you can use the same number or use a different number if you want to. Click on Use a different number. Now select your country and enter the number. After entering the number, click on Next. Now click on OK. You will get a verification code on your mobile phone. Code here. Now the verification is complete. Now hit on Continue. Tap on Allow. Now again tap on Allow. Enter your business name here. For example, select the category. Now if you have a photo, you can upload from here. Let's do it right now. Click on now click on show more options. Now if you have some description you want to add, you can click here and type. Now if you have an address, you can write address here or you can leave it. Tap on Next. You can make a catalog here of your products or different items you're offering. If you have one, you can click on Get Started, or if you are planning to do in future, click on Not Now. Now your WhatsApp business account is ready. You can send messages from here to your contacts. That's how you can make a WhatsApp business account easily. If you like this video, hit the like button and subscribe to our channel and wait to have more videos on it.